Co-researchers were being witnessed painting in their private studio spaces for 60 minutes in 3 experimental sessions. Each session was then followed by a discussion. A GoPro video camera was attached to the participants' foreheads while they painted. This allowed a clear angle on their hands and creative process. Using the GoPro camera as I did allowed documentation without ethical restrictions. The video also relieved me from the need to document in writing, so I could focus on journaling what was going on within me. The video files uploaded to my computer formed a supportive backrest. I could go back to specific moments within the experimental modes of inquiry and see them for myself. Video was significant in enhancing memory, reliving the moment, reenacting sensations. The angle from which the video is filmed was crucial in revealing information. Placing the GoPro camera on the participants' foreheads enables viewing footage from an eye position. I, as the viewer, can see as they see. To my great surprise, video is crucial in inviting and enhancing intimacy. The process of editing footage revealed and strengthened what the co-researchers defined as intimate moments. These were signified by a slower rhythm of motion, fewer hand movements, and a steady grip on the painting tool. During such moments, the head-mounted camera movements were much slower, and the proximity of the camera lens to the painting was very close. Such moments were underscored by moments taking place before and after them that showed faster handwork, a more rapid pace, and quicker movements toward and away from the painting. The subjects on the frame were usually smaller during such moments because of a greater distance between the head-mounted camera and the painting. While watching the edited videos, these pauses were understood to be brief breaks that they refer to as non-intimate moments. They explained that their prolonged deep focus and immersion in painting required taking breaks, and that once they had done so, they could go back to painting. The edited videos helped participants see these moments throughout their painting routines and identify the features that facilitated intimate experience. During the culminating sessions with co-researchers after they viewed the edited videos, they admitted that the angle and perspective of the shots made the development of their paintings seem tangible. This led them, as viewers, to zoom in on the painting hand, identify with it, and feel as if they were taking an active part in the painting processes of other participants. Their experience was intimate and close. They attested to feeling empathy and closeness as they zoomed in on the image that was shown on the screen. I used video for presenting my outcomes. While presentation of most research is done in writing, I found that the edited video can demonstrate results clearly and explicitly. Throughout my dissertation, I placed brackets of video timelines that served as empirical evidence which validated the written ideas visually and also strengthened the outcomes.